Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing how to remove a driver side mirror from a BMW X3 2017. You can apply the same method in similar BMWs. So to do that, you're going to use a pry tool and just pry out the mirror from the casing. And when you pry it out, you'll see that there are two wires plugged to the mirror. The heating cable and also the auto dim cable, and we are going to remove the two of them. As you can see in this video, this is the auto dim cable. Then I'm going to be replacing it with a new side mirror that I got from Amazon. I'm going to be sharing the link to purchase the mirror in the description below. So as you can see in this one I got from Amazon, it doesn't have the auto dim cable, which is the one you're seeing right now. So we're going to just jump that and just install only the heating cable. I was not able to see the mirror that has the auto dim one of Amazon. Maybe if you look for it in BMW, you might be able to see it, but I couldn't get it off of Amazon. I was able to use it without the auto dim cable. All I did was just keep the auto dim cable aside and only plugged the heating cable, and that's worked. So if you really don't need the auto dim and you're on a budget, this would be the best route to just install your mirror. Once you plug in the heating cable, you just press the mirror back into place in the casing. There will be some latches in the mirror that you will use to put it back in place in the casing. And once you do that, you just press it to make sure that it latches in place. And once it latches, and that's it, you've installed your mirror back. I hope you learned something in this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.